Hello guys, good morning. And today's video, I would love to share with you guys my Christmas decoration at home. And yes, you have heard it right. We Filipinos start putting up our Christmas tree and decorating our house for the festive season starts from September, as early as September 1st. So the Philippines actually holds the longest running festivity of the Christmas season in the world, which begins of course September 1st and it will end on January, which is after Three Kings. So you must be wondering why that long? Well, the explanation for this lies in the family-centric values of Filipinos society. That with Christmas being in time with families, your loved ones, with your friends to reunite. So it is expected for the Filipinos should spend Christmas with their families and loved ones, often going home to their respective hometowns, because there are some Filipinos who are working abroad or in a different islands in the Philippines. They'll come all together to their hometown just to be with their loved ones. So for us, Christmas is it's important for all Filipinos. So even I'm speaking for myself, it is important for me to have this Christmas, to celebrate Christmas. And so I just made a simple decorations at home. So I hope you like this, guys, and I hope you, if you're a Filipino, I'm sure you also start decorating your house for the festive seasons. And I hope you like this video and you have learned something new. For those who are not Filipino, that Philippines is hold the longest running Christmas season. So until then, guys, thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!